Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 1 presentation assembly. Yes, it's Friday the 26th of March and we are there. We are through the spring term. We've been working at home, we've been working at school now for 3 weeks, and these children, you will see this morning, have been working amazingly throughout this whole spring term, and huge congratulations to all of them. Mums, dads, please share this on YouTube, share with aunties, uncles, grandparents. Let's get it shared far and wide so we can have a really massive celebration with everyone, with the whole family, to see how brilliant these children are and how brilliant they've been during this term. So please, let's get on it, please. Right, let's have a look. Here we go. Look at these English stars. Oh, and look at the English. Look at the writing that's going on here. So we've got Ben, we've got Crystal, we've got Alex, Liza, Mantadas, Lexi, and Mimi. Look at that. Look at this beautiful handwriting. It's absolutely phenomenal. Well done, Year 1s. I'm so proud of you, and keeping that up throughout as well, throughout lockdown, throughout at home, as well as at school, and how you've then picked that up. Really, let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. You superstars, keep that up. Keep writing every single day, because you can see it absolutely works. So well done, guys. Thank you. Moving on. Oh, look out. Here we go. We've got some phonics stars. So these guys have been working so hard on their phonics to help with their reading and to help with their writing. Here we go. We've got Sophie. We've got Scarlett. We've got Caden, Vitaris, Danelius, Toby, Mason, Jack, Teddy, Monica, and Noah. Look at you guys. And all working so hard as well throughout that. But the beauty of that was really can see from those Year 1s, they've carried that on when they were at home right through to these 3 weeks at school. So really well done, you superstars. Let's give them a round of applause. Well done, you phonics stars. So proud of you. Thank you. Moving on, we've got, look at these reading stars. Now, these 4 children, not only will they get a certificate, they're going to get a reading book as well, which will be really lovely to see them on tapestry with their reading books and their certificates at home over Easter, over the Easter holiday. So we've got Suleiman, we've got Nikita, we've got Dennis, and we've got Adil. Look at it. Good smiling faces, guys. Well done. Working so hard. Reading every single day, even when you were at home. Thank you from Mr. Allen, because that has really helped you guys in these 3 weeks as well, and will help you throughout. So keep doing that over the Easter holidays as well, and enjoy your books. I hope you enjoy them. Moving on, here we go. Look at these reading stuff. Oh, look at the books as well. These children have been reading. Look at this. So we've got Maxwell, and we've got Scarlett, Beatrix, and Lily. And these guys, I know, are reading, and they're avid readers, and they love reading. They just love picking up a book and reading. And they've been doing that non-stop. And I'm sure they'll do that over Easter as well. Please, guys, enjoy your books and your certificates. Give a little round of applause for these guys. The reading stars. Well done. Thank you. Maths. Look at these mathematicians. Hey? Don't they look bright? Hey? Don't they just? Ethan, Ava, Caitlin, Olivia, Casey, Sapphire, Alexia, and Woody. Look at them. And you can see, look at the maths that they're doing. Here, all the sorting, counting, partitioning. It's absolutely amazing, guys. It's fantastic. And I know the Year 1, all the Year 1 teachers have been so impressed, because clearly you must still have been doing maths while you've been at home as well. So well done for keeping that up. And enjoy your certificates. Give them a round of applause. Come on. Well done, guys. Very impressive. Moving on. Look at these math stars as well. Look how many there are. But look at all the maths as well. Just look at those photos. It's amazing. So you've got Gracie May, we've got Rayleigh, we've got Marley Ray, Bartos, Adama, Marcy, Anna Maria, Alita, Noah, and Rebecca. Oh, look at Marley. Look at the concentration on his face with his maths. Look at Bartos. Look at the way they've sorted all this. Absolutely amazing. The way they've been setting out their maths. So really well done. Let's give them a massive round of applause, because they've been working so hard on their maths. You absolute superstars, really well done. Enjoy your certificates, and keep doing that over Easter. Keep finding things to add, to sort, okay? Because I'm sure you'll be able to do that over Easter as well. Moving on, here we go. Look, science, look at these scientists, okay? Working scientifically for these amazing Year 1s. We've just got the 2. We've got Orson, and we've got Jack. Let's give them a round of applause. Come on. Well done, you 2. Absolute superstars. And I know you both love science as well, so really well done there. Enjoy those certificates. Moving on, here we go. Look at these, and you can see, look at, oh my word. These actually look like scientists. Look at this. So we've got Sophia, we've got Penny, we've got Tasnim. Look at these. Working so scientifically, really well done. And I know these girls love science as well, so let's give them a round of applause. Well done, well done. Scientists of the future, that's what we need. We need more scientists, so well done, girls. Oh, look at this PE, look at these PE stars. Look at them being fit and healthy and exercising. It's amazing. So we've got Emily, we've got Henry, we've got Lola, we've got Logan, Freddie, Scarlett, and Tudor. He's about to see Tudor there. Look at him balancing. Wow, climbing up high. Freddie using his muscles there. Same with, look, Emily and Scarlett, right? Really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Keep it up. It's really important to keep physically fit to help with our mental health. Mr. Allen keeps talking about it. So please do keep that up over Easter, getting out and about for walks and exercise. So well done, guys. Give them a little round of applause. Well done, you PE stars. Moving on. Here they are. Look at these four. Look at these four. Look. Well, these two. Sorry, these two. We've got Honey and we've got Kobe. Absolutely. All right. Being fit, being physically fit, constantly doing exercise, out and about, out in the garden as well as in their lessons as well. So huge congratulations to these students. Give them a round of applause. Well done, guys. So impressive, and keep that up as well over the holidays. Come on, keep being fit, getting out and doing some exercise. There it is. Well done, everyone. Massive round of applause for all the children in year one. You are all amazing. There it says, enjoy the Easter holiday. Yes, we are there. School ends today at 3:15. Those children will be coming home with their certificates, their reading books, whatever that is, whatever they've won today. Huge congratulations to all of them. Have a wonderful and safe Easter holiday, and we'll see you all in the summer term. Bye-bye now.